I wish for me sounds more cover beam ba Emadek TV so yeah. If I just send the be a music canon ne and your first time I patron was subscribe am. I know I share now I like it. No di ho dance at you so omra meka Emadek abusan ko na hard or bad dia update bi e koso bi an sabeka. Yes, update bi an na e koso 10 times ni na. Yes, in sabeka. I wish for some more koso yes baba some more so koso Ghana. Issues so ha yes how so na ebe ma waso ante ansem na ekoso.
As you can see, we're beginning to navigate the turbulence with our economy growing by 4.2% in the first quarter of 2023. The currency has seen some stability lately, and through the Gold for Oil program, we've seen the stability in the prices of petroleum products as well, all of which are helping to bring inflation down. Things are getting better and will get better, I can assure you. Muslim faithful, fellow Ghanaians, in the spirit of Eid, I ask you to continue to support the government, your government, to deliver the needed progress and prosperity that we all seek. I said at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic that we do not know how to bring back lives, but we know how to bring back the economy. I stand by those words. Inshallah, we're working to restore the economy to full health. And inshallah, we shall do so. The young people in our Muslim communities, you have every right to celebrate today. By all means celebrate, but by all means be cautious. Your life matters to the nation and to your families. I'll be sad to hear that one life was lost as a result of reckless celebration. The nation needs you for the task of economic recovery and development it has embarked upon. Please stay alert and stay alive.
I was for Hana Medium see, yeah, Hana Medium see. The watch out so that the Biamican and then your first time I will show you Emadek TV. I want to subscribe my wife. I want like it. Yes, now I share. No what the home come actually so omra meka ye ho no ba update bia ne nsa beka yes nyema bia ekoso bia ne nsa beka ya nsa beka bia e fa cho asemi e ba o comment ne sen bia na wo so kan fa ho yes bia na wo kan fa story we ya me de ba ye ho asema person kan fa ba cho no leave wo comment section ho e dia amaye won so wadwenche no e be ma Emadek atumpon because ye ne mu nyina na ye adwuma no the BBN and only comments now. My yes, we are sent. Now, the yes, you can't change me. Yes, I can't change. Yeah, I had a medimusi because you say over subscribe. Now I share. Yes, now I like it. I wasn't sure the one dance here too. Say, oh, my making Emadek a bit of my crowd.